Hey guys, I want to show you guys what I just got off of Amazon. This is going to be my UMLo cordless vacuum cleaner, literally V160. So I wanted to open it up, show you guys everything that came in it, basically how to use it and how well it's going to work. So right here, as you can see, it says 5 power modes, power for suction, brushless motor. It says anti-tangle power brusher, so that's super cool. I have one that actually gets super tangled up. I had to take out all the hair. It's super annoying. Wide motorized brush. And it says versatile cleaning. So let's get this thing all opened up and show you guys how this thing is set up, use it, and kind of give my opinion on this device right here. So let's get this. I'm so excited. So as you can see right here, it's telling you a quick start. It's saying to turn on the machine. It has an auto mode, an eco mode, a mid mode, a high mode, a max mode. So it's gonna be all 5 different modes like it said. It's gonna come with a whole bunch of different things. But let's check this thing out. You can literally clean it with water. It's gonna come with a filter too, so open this up. Dang. Here's gonna be the extender pieces. Let's get it all out so I can show you guys. Here's gonna be that bottom piece right here. There's another addition piece, the charger for it. And here's that bad boy, so let's take it out. Ooh-wee. That thing looks nice. A big cup for all that suction. You can see literally right here, all of this suction that's gonna be sucking straight up. Very powerful motors right there. A couple other pieces that are inside here. It's gonna be this one for like little tiny edges, and this one for the carpet or the couch. So I'm gonna set this down. Let's get this thing all set up. So, like I said, this is gonna be the vacuum itself. Here is the battery pack. Holy. Right here is gonna be the on button. Right now it's on auto, eco, mid, high, max, and you just shut it off like that. That is sick. It literally tells you the battery percentage on here by percentage, so it's not just gonna say 1 level, 2 level, 3 level, 4. It's gonna say the battery percentage. Right now it says 45% on here. Charges very quickly and everything too, but let me show you guys how to set this thing up with the folders and everything too. Here's gonna be one extender. It says you can pull it to loosen it, extend. You're just gonna push this right into here. Just like that. So you got that in. It's gonna have this other one too. You can see that long, and it says to release. You just pull it up to release, stack it back in there to lock it in. So for an example, if I want to put this one on, I'll show you guys. Ooh, this one looks super nice. Let's go. Just click it right in, and just like that, it is in. Locked and loaded, literally ready to suck up some type of stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys how nice this is gonna fit. This is the whole vacuum setup. Down here, there's gonna be 4 LED lights. Moving our way up, as you can see, this thing is sick. You see how well it's gonna be sucking up some really thick dog hair. Dang. Guys, literally check out how dirty this is. I have this attachment piece right here. You can make it just like this. Put this all on our job here. Oh, literally look at all of the hair that's inside of here. Insane. So literally guys, after I tested this out, after I put it together and everything, this thing is an 11 out of 10. Seriously guys, I really recommend this vacuum right here. It will definitely do the dirty job for you. And like I said, it's gonna have those 5 different modes. It's gonna have a very nice LED window right here. And the suction is amazing. Amazing guys. And look at how much hair is inside of here. And there's still so much more that I can keep inside of here too. This thing is sick, guys. Seriously, really recommend it.